Mobile phone scams. Google is warning millions of Australians' Android phone users to delete 151 dangerous mobile phone apps it has just banned from its Play Store over ties to a SMS scam campaign. Dubbed the Ultima SMS campaign, they have identified 151 fake apps that have been disguised as photo and video editors, spam call blockers, camera filters, QR code scanners, and all sorts of games. Once installed, each of the apps records the user's location, International Mobile Equipment Identity, IMEI, number and phone number to create a series of prompts requesting the user to enter their phone and email address. It works by sending a text message to both Android and iPhone users with an alert for a missed call or new voicemail. Within this text message is a link to access a fake voicemail. When a user clicks on this link, it redirects them to a web page that imitates an official brand such as Telstra and Optus. That information is then used to subscribe the user to premium SMS servers charging up to US $40 or $50 Australian dollars a month. If you have downloaded any of the apps below, uninstall them immediately and check your bank statement for any unusual charges, as it contains information that prompts a user to install software on their phone in order to listen to the fake voicemail message. Once you agree to install the file, the malware will install, and if permissions are granted, the attackers will gain access to your credit card details, personal information, text messages, browser, and other information that is held on your device. You should then reach out to your mobile service provider to disable any premium SMS options on your account.